So I came out of the house this morning and realized that we're a little bit snowed in. It snowed all day yesterday, and you can see the van is a little bit snowed in. In English, when you say that you're snowed in, it means that you can't leave until you clean your driveway or clear your driveway. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Jen's coming out with her camera and the drone, and I'm going to teach you some English words and phrases that we use when we're snowed in, when we have to clear our driveway or clean our driveway in order to go somewhere. So stick around. I think this will be a fun video. It'll be a little bit different, a kind of a different sort of English lesson than normal, but it'll certainly be a fun one to watch. So when it's this cold, I do have to keep my tractor plugged in. So if you don't know the word for this, this is an extension cord that I can plug into the block heater on the tractor that hopefully makes it easier to start. Before I start it though, I should point out some tractor parts. This is the front end loader. So this is what I'm going to use to clear the driveway, to clean the driveway. I keep using two different verbs. It has hydraulic rams and a bucket. So it can go up and down, and that allows me to scoop up the snow or scrape the snow or push the snow. We'll get to those verbs in a little bit. But right now, I'm going to see if it will start. So I have my key here. Cross your fingers. When it's this cold, I hope the block heater kept it warm. Success! So there are four things I'm going to do with this tractor, and I'm going to teach you those four verbs. And those verbs are good for other things as well, not just cleaning up snow with a tractor. I am going to push the snow with the tractor. So I'm going to put the bucket down and I'm going to push the snow, and you'll see it all piling up in front. And then I'm going to scoop up the snow. I'm going to scoop the snow into the bucket. You can see how when I move my hands like this, I'm mimicking what the bucket will do. And I'm going to then lift it, and then I'm going to find a place where I can dump the snow. I'm going to tip the bucket and the snow will fall out. I'll either put it on an existing pile or I'll start a new pile. And then when I'm all done or almost done cleaning the driveway, I will then scrape the driveway. I'll put the bucket down and tip it just a little bit so it kind of does a nice final job on the driveway. I will scrape up the last little bit of snow, and then I will dump that somewhere else as well. So what am I going to do? I'm going to push the snow. I'm going to scoop the snow up. I'm going to dump the snow, and when I'm all done, I'm going to scrape the driveway so it looks really, really nice. Oh, and I said push the snow. You can also say plow the snow. Even though this tractor isn't really a snow plow, sometimes people use that verb as well. So I am pushing the snow, but I'm also plowing the snow or plowing the driveway. So how many verbs is that now? I'm clearing the driveway, I'm cleaning the driveway, I'm plowing the driveway. I'm doing a lot just to get this driveway nice and clean. I have a ways to go yet before I'm done. So we also sometimes use the verb to dig out or to dig yourself out. So right now, even though this is a tractor and not a shovel, usually you use a shovel to dig. I can still say that I am spending time digging us out. I've decided to get up this morning and make an English lesson and to dig us out so that later today we can get out of the driveway. Okay, so just so you know, this is a snow drift. I'm not sure if you can see it. When the wind blows over the shed, the snow accumulates here. But this over here, by the way, this is a snow drift as well. This is a snow pile because this is where I dumped snow when I last cleaned the driveway. So you might be wondering, how do I control the bucket? Well, I have my control lever right here. This will lift the loader up. This will put the loader down. Oh, there it goes. It will go down when it's off. This will tilt the bucket back. So it will do this to the bucket. And this will tilt the bucket forward. So in order to control the loader and the bucket, I use this lever to lift the loader up, to put the loader down, to tilt the bucket back, and to tilt the bucket forward. That's how I dump. So I'm almost done, and you might be wondering, why didn't I just use the snowblower? I do have a snowblower. A snowblower is a machine that, well, it kind of eats snow and then shoots it out onto the side of the driveway. And I could have used the snowblower, but maybe that's for another English lesson in the future. We'll see. I do really like cleaning the driveway with my tractor. I don't know if you could see on my face, it just brings me joy. So maybe I'll use the snowblower next time, but for this time, this was really, really fun for me. Well, hey, thank you so much for watching this English lesson about cleaning a driveway. I hope you were able to learn some new words and phrases. I do want to thank my lovely assistant, Jen, who came out in this minus 14 degrees Celsius weather to help me make this video. So thanks, Jen. Thanks a lot. Hey, if you're new here, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you next week with another English lesson. Bye.